Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to take partial profit in Tradingview. Alright, so let's begin. If you've ever wanted to lock in gains on part of your position while letting the rest continue to run, this is exactly what you need. Let's dive right in. First, we'll assume you already have an active trade open, maybe a stock, crypto, or another asset that's currently moving in your favor. Instead of closing the entire position, you want to secure some profit while keeping the rest of the trade alive. That's where partial profit taking comes into play. To get started, look at your Tradingview interface and find the order panel. If it's not visible, don't worry, it's usually minimized. Just click the small expand button at the bottom of your chart to open it. This panel gives you full control over your active trades, so it's a good idea to keep it open when managing positions. Once the panel is open, go to the Positions tab. Here you'll see a list of all your current trades. Find the position you want to partially close. Next to it, you'll notice an X icon or a close button. Click on it, but don't worry, this won't instantly close your entire trade. Instead, a pop-up window will appear giving you options. Choose partial close. Now, this is where you decide how much of your position you want to close. You'll see a field where you can enter the amount. For example, if you want to close half your position, simply enter half the total size, like 0.5 if you're working with one unit. Take a moment to double check the amount before proceeding. This step is important because it directly affects how much profit you're locking in while keeping the rest of your trade active. Once you're ready, click Close Position and Tradingview will execute the partial close. Your profit will be secured for that portion while the remaining position stays open and continues to run with the market. You've successfully taken a partial profit on Tradingview. It's a powerful way to manage risk and maximize opportunities without exiting your trade completely. And that's it. This is how you can take partial profit in Tradingview. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.